Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Halifax account. So let's get started. So if you want to log into your Halifax account, what you can do is just open up a browser, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you have to search for login Halifax. After searching for that, you just have to tap on this first option which says sign in to online banking. Now what you can do is just tap on sign in now. After tapping on sign in now, what you can do is enter your username and password. After entering your username and password, just tap on continue, and after tapping on continue you will successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password and you want to reset or recover your password, so to do that what you can do is just tap on forgot your sign in details. Just tap on this, and after tapping on this option you can change your password or you can also change your username. And after creating a new username, what you can do is just come back to this login page and then enter the username or the password that you have created and then tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you will successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Halifax account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.